so bored. There's nothing for me to do here in SmashBurger. All I can do is just stand inside the restaurant. I wonder what I can do today. Wait, I have an idea. I'm going to destroy these tables with a sledgehammer. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Dark Galaxy Buddy Bro.
Hey, you said my name? Oh, I'm so busted. It's Cat Valentine.
Darn right, you are Dark Galaxy Buddy Bro. While I was waiting to get my food here in SmashBurger, I saw you destroying 3 tables with a sledgehammer. What were you thinking?
Well, Cat Valentine, I was feeling bored from just standing inside SmashBurger.
Well, it's just a lame excuse to destroy 3 tables with a sledgehammer. Now, thanks to you, it's gotta cost a lot of money to get some new tables for this SmashBurger restaurant.
Hey, what's going on here? I heard a very loud crash while I was running the cash register at SmashBurger.
Well, Gary, take a look at this. While I was waiting to get my food here in SmashBurger, I saw Dark Galaxy Buddy Bro destroying 3 tables with a sledgehammer.
Dark Galaxy Buddy Bro, are you serious? Right, now, how dare you destroy 3 tables with a sledgehammer here in SmashBurger? You know that these tables cost $1,000. Now we have to get some new tables for this restaurant. Thanks to you, that's it. You're temporarily banned from visiting this SmashBurger location for the entire weekend. Go home now while I call your parents about this.
When Dark Galaxy Buddy Bro got home.
Dark Galaxy Buddy Bro, we are extremely disappointed at you right now after Gary has notified me about you destroying 3 tables with a sledgehammer at SmashBurger. You know that the tables cost $1,000.
Now, thanks to you, we have to pay the money back to SmashBurger so that they can get new tables for the restaurant. For this, you are grounded for the entire weekend. Go upstairs to your room, right now.